Life of an army Jawan is tough, undoubtedly. Imagine a Jawan posted on the line of control, charged with the responsibility of preventing infiltration across the borders. 24/7, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. He is expected to be vigilant and on guard. And the borders, are extremely inhospitable. The weather is not so friendly always, and there are no fixed working hours.
हम लोग 24 घंटे तैयार रहते हैं. It is not only posting but for any operational duties also. You do not know when the country needs you, and therefore you are ready to move anywhere at a short notice, be it high altitude, be it eastern part of the country, be it southern part, anywhere, be it deserts. Not only we, but the family as a whole. Children also know that after 2.5 years, schooling will change, place will change, new friends will come in. Families also know that we are now about to move.
जब आर्मी में जवान भर्ती होता है तो उसको एक कसम परेड बोली जाती है, वो कसम दी जाती है, मैं जल में, थल में, हर मुसीबत में जो भी होगा मैं अपनी ड्यूटी पे रेडी हूँ. आंधी हो, तूफान हो, बारिश हो, वो अपनी ड्यूटी 24 घंटे की ड्यूटी भी करता है.
Take the case of natural calamities or disasters, whether it is earthquake or floods. People naturally look towards the army to provide succor, and army responds as much as they can. Army man is not a specialist. He is not a specialist swimmer. He is not a specialist in relief and rescue. Yet because we are a disciplined body, because we have jazba in us of going to the rescue of our countrymen.
The entire defense services have been plagued with age-old equipment and outdated armament.
And any amount of money that is required to upgrade your defense system is not a waste. It is a productive organ of the society. These are legitimate long-term investments for keeping the peace in the country.
Successive governments have ignored the imperative needs of the defense services. The OROP is one of them.
हमारा ये हक है और pensions, emoluments है for the job already done.
Indian Army is one of the largest contributors to UN peacekeeping missions. We have our troops in Middle East, that is Lebanon. We have our troops in Africa, that is Congo, Sudan, and many other missions. Time and time again, Indian Army has displayed professionalism, courage and compassion. I recollect an incident in Lebanon as to how our soldiers are caring and they are disciplined. There was an incident where an observer post, and it was struck by a direct hit from an Israeli 2,000-pound bomb. And the post was literally destroyed or blown to pieces, though it was a concrete structure. And the bodies of the 4 officers or observers, they were really in pieces, charred remains were there. But the mortal remains had to be sent back to their countries. And the war was going on between Israel and Hezbollah. Even their own countrymen did not come forward to pick up the remains. It was the Indian battalion who, out of respect for humanity, out of their own sense of discipline, went and picked up the mortal remains, put them in body bags and respectfully handed them over on the Israeli border. This is the type of discipline and sense of humanity that the Indian soldier has.
Every day almost about 2 to 4 bodies wrapped in a tricolor are coming from the borders. Are we as a nation aware of it? I face the bullets because I am sure that nation will look after my family should something happen to me.
So what the system has to do, what the government must do and the society also, they must appreciate this and ensure that the soldier is kept free of mental worries as far as his back home worries are concerned.
Training is a constant process, whether you are in a peace station, whether you are in a border, even when you are facing the enemy, you are again training yourself. Every day a new situation comes up. You are training your mind, you are training your troops, you are deploying them every time, prepared to die for the country. And it is not easy when you know that the bullet will hit you and you will die unless you are trained, motivated to undertake that final step of death.
And yet he performs, yet he does his job. Why? I think the credit goes to the Indian Army ethos, the outstanding leadership provided by the officers and the junior commissioned officers, the camaraderie, team spirit, esprit de corps, and foremost being nationalist spirit. देश के लिए मर मिटने का जज्बा जो हर एक जवान में है.
I am the 4th generation in the army. I have 2 sons, both are in the army. They are the 5th generation continuously in the army.
मुझे गर्व है भारतीय होने पर.
Proud to be an Indian.
I have only one thing to say, and proud to be an Indian.